Hi there, my name is Paul Colgrove, and in this fourth video I will demonstrate how easy it is to produce a series of stitch welds with the ColWeld collaborative welding robot. To create the series of stitch welds, we now need to select our ColWeld stitch programming node, and you can see that in the software screen here. We then move to our first point, which we've now defined. We then move to our second point, which has now been defined. And the final step is to define our stitch length and also the gap between the stitches. In this example, it's going to be a 30mm stitch and a 100mm gap. We are now ready to simulate the series of stitch welds. Now hopefully you can see that by doing it this way, it's a lot quicker and easier than having to program each individual weld. So those parameters give us a series of 4 welds, and all that we needed to do was to define the start of the first weld and the end of the last weld. The software works out all the gaps for you automatically. Okay, we're now ready to weld.